Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo storage is full. How to fix this problem. So the first step is to connect to iPhone to computer. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer, and ensure the connection is secure. And you can fix it from here. Step 2, enter recovery mode. Press the volume up button once, down once, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and restart your device. You can also restart it from settings. Go to settings, go to general, scroll down and tap on shutdown and restart it. Step 3, update iPhone using iTunes. Open iTunes on your computer. If you are using a Mac, you can also use Finder if you are on Mac OS, Catalina or later. In iTunes, you'll see a message indicating a problem with the iPhone. Select update to try updating your iPhone. If updating does not work, you can also try restore to fix the issue. Step 4, try force restart. There you can do it like volume up button once, down and restart it. And step 5, free up storage. Go to settings. In general, go to iPhone storage, and from here, free up the space as you like. Delete large files, and that's it.